Kumusta kayong lahat? Colleagues from my workplace came to um, offer their sympathy to me for the death of my mother. I'm back to work just now, just today. It's my first day of work again in Oman. And still look at my face, I'm haggard. Of course, I am mourning. I hope I can recover soon from my mother's death. Uh, my sorrow for my mother's death. Uh, well, nightmares came. Like yesterday, I was riding a taxi. My friend who is always taking uh, me to anywhere in Oman by a taxi. He we stopped by a mosque and he needed to pray, and I fell asleep sometime. And oh, no, not that one. I think during the ride. Oh yeah, during that time. What happened was I dreamt of my mother who is in the hospital and is some kind of bleeding in her arm, in her left arm, and the housemaid is telling me that, look, uh, ma'am, look, your mother is bleeding. And I was, when I am looking at her in my dream, I feel afraid. Of course, I am always afraid about her condition. And now when I looked at her, oh my God, again, I felt the pain. But then suddenly I remembered that this couldn't be true. It just could be a dream because I remember that my mother already died, and we interred her in the cemetery already. Okay, so that's it. Anyway, it's quite frightening, and I needed to wake up, and because I knew that I was dreaming, and so when I woke up, okay, I realized that I was really dreaming. Anyway, okay, so this morning this morning or maybe last night, I dreamt of my colleagues in the hospital. I met them, and I used to meet them, a lot of them, when my mom was in the hospital. This is the same hospital I had my internal medicine residency training was. Then I saw some of them who were not there, who were not present during my mom's hospitalization. I saw them in the dream. Three of them. Okay, you see, the doctors for my mom's hospitalization were composed of mostly my colleagues, my batch in training, my juniors, like that. They helped me a lot, restore my mother to good health. But this time, you know, luck, that it was luck that she died. Yeah, I didn't say good luck. Okay. Anyway, so that was a second nightmare. Not really a nightmare, but no remembering that one. It could give you